Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my backyard, and I want to show you this. This is my new 3-piece accessory pack for my modular system of my extra large big green egg. The modular systems are really the way to go if you have an egg, large, medium, or extra large, because it's powder coated aluminum, so it's never going to rust. You can expand on it. There's an expansion cabinet you can get. You can put, have an L shape. You can have a long line of it with your full outdoor kitchen, and you can customize every single shelf, from acacia shelves to distressed acacia, stainless steel grit, solid stainless steel shelves you want. I mean, anything you want to do. This is really the way to go, and there's so many accessories, including this one here, the 3-piece accessory pack that I picked up, and I just want to show you this. So I'm doing a complete unboxing. I haven't opened this yet. I'm pretty excited to get this on my modular system here. Let's go ahead and open it up. So inside, it comes with the storage rack, a towel holder, and a utility tray. Let's just get into this, and let's have a look. All right. So inside here, there's one piece there, your instruction manual, looks pretty straightforward, and here's the utility tray. Now this utility tray just goes on the front, and a couple different uses for you for this. So literally there's no bolts, there's no nothing, and you just set it on there and it sits right in the front. So you could use this as a spice rack. You could use this to empty out your ash, open that up, scrape it in there, and then dump it into your compost or your garden. It comes off so easily. If you wanted to get access to there without getting ash in there, you could do that. Very simple. But that looks very sharp. I like that. All right, let's get into this box right here and see what's in here. All right. So here's our accessory storage rack, and that just goes on the side, which I'll show you in a sec here. And inside here, we have the towel bar, and there it is. There's the mounting bracket and all the hardware. All right, let's do this. I think I'm just going to pull my modular system out so I can have better access to the side here. I got the casters on here as well. They're optional. You don't have to have casters. You just put them right on the ground if you want to, but I find this is really easy because they lock. And you can roll this thing wherever you want. Any different party configurations, anything. It's very simple. So it looks like the only tool you need really is a large Phillips screwdriver that we're going to mount this bracket to, so we can put on the accessory rack. And you'll find that in the modular system, there's holes here on the underside all the way around, and it should just line up with that. Obviously it does. And we're just going to take a couple of these screws, and you're going to want to mount it with this piece facing outside, so the accessory rack will slide just on it like that. So you'll see that the big hole on the top, and it narrows to a smaller hole so it can sit right on there. Just going to get underneath here and see where this spot is exactly. Just get that started. And the other one in there. All right, we'll just tighten that up. And the other one. All right, and that just slides right on like that. Beautiful, I love it. Cool. Very heavy duty too. It looks like on the package, when you look at it, it looks like it's all just plastic. But this is metal, as well as everything else in the package. It's really sturdy. For the towel bar, I think I'm just going to mount that in the front, right over here, because on the other side, I already have the hangers that came with the modular system to begin with. This is where I hang my tongs and my different utensils and stuff like that on that side there. So the only place that really makes sense is right in the front here, under this spot here. So let's do that. So real simple with the towel bar. Again, instructions are pretty simple. You have 2 brackets that need to be mounted, and then you just slide your bar in there. It comes with a little cotter pin as well that you put into the bar so it stays in place. So you're going to mount these like so. Round part is sticking out, that little round part where you put the bar, and it's at the bottom. Okay, so mount them upwards like that. And again, very simply, just screw in with the screwdriver. Get it started there first. And then get in there with a screwdriver. There we are. And the other one should be about here. There we go. All right, and now this bar should just slide in like so. All right, and you'll see that there's a hole. See that hole right at the top? That's where the cotter pin goes in so that the bar doesn't come out of the bracket. So I'll just do that now. Gotta turn the bar this way, I think. There we go. Perfect. Now I have the perfect spot for my spices. And there's lots of room. That is 3 seasonings from Big Green Egg. And I could easily fit 4 more, maybe some sauces, maybe my own rubs I can put there. Lots of room. That's pretty cool. Then on the front, I could put a roll of paper towels very easily on there. Okay, like so. Or just use it as a regular towel rack and hang my towel like that. And this easily slides out of the way if you want to get at any accessories or whatever else down there. It doesn't really take up a lot of room. There's still a big gap here as well. This is just so cool. It makes my modular system that much better. The 3-piece accessory pack, only by Big Green Egg. Make sure you check it out at your local retailer. Product code 126948 so they know what you're talking about. And we'll see you next time, folks.